In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zapier Wix automation. If you want your Wix website to work automatically with other apps, Zapier is the easiest way to connect them. In a few minutes, you will create a workflow, pick a Wix trigger, and then set what action should happen next. To begin, go to Zapier in your web browser. When Zapier loads, take a moment to make sure you are signed into your account. Signing in is important because Zapier needs permission to connect your services. Once you are on the Zapier dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Next, click Create, and then choose Zap Workflows. This is where you build your automation. You will see a page that guides you through selecting a trigger first, and then an action. For now, do not worry about the action yet. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we will set that up next. Under Trigger, you will search for Wix and select it. Make sure you actually pick the Wix app from the list, because Zapier may show several similar options or categories. After you select Wix, you will be prompted to choose your specific Wix trigger. This trigger tells Zapier what event on your Wix site should cause the automation to run. Choose your Wix trigger. For example, you might select something like a form submission or a new event, depending on what you want to automate. Spend a moment here and choose the correct one that matches your goal. After that selection, Zapier will guide you to connect your Wix account. This connection allows Zapier to read events from your Wix site and then use them in your workflow. Now connect your Wix account. Look for the Connect button or the prompt to authorize access. You may need to approve permissions so Zapier can access the relevant Wix data. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and, once connected, return to the Zap setup page. When the connection is successful, Zapier will typically be able to show your available Wix resources, such as your site or items associated with your Wix account. Meet of connection is ready. You will move to the Action app. In Zapier, the Action app is the next step that runs after the trigger happens. This is where you choose what you want to do automatically, such as sending a message, updating a record, or creating something new in another service. Select the Action app. Click the field where you can choose an app, and then pick the app that matches the result you want. After you choose the app, you need to choose the specific action. This step matters because each action has different requirements and options, and the right action makes your workflow do exactly what you intend. Choose the action for your selected app. As you do this, pay attention to what Zapier asks you to configure. Sometimes Zapier will require additional fields, like what text to send or which item to update. Do not rush through this part. The better you match the action settings to your trigger, the smoother the automation will run. Once you have selected and configured the trigger and the action, you are ready to finalize. Click Publish. Publishing is what turns your Zap workflow from a draft into a live automation. Before you publish, make sure the configuration looks correct on the screen, because publishing confirms that Zapier will start running based on your trigger. After you click Publish, give Zapier a moment to process. When it finishes, your automation should be active, and it will run whenever the Wix trigger occurs. If there is any status indicator, you can confirm that it shows as turned on or live, and that covers everything you need to know. You have now set up your Zapier Wix automation by creating the Zap workflow, selecting your Wix trigger, connecting your Wix account, choosing the Action app and action, and then publishing the automation. And that is all there is to it.